Garlic is a versatile and popular ingredient used in cooking around the world. It belongs to the allium family, which also includes onions, shallots, and chives. While garlic is known for its strong and distinct flavor, it also offers numerous health benefits for men. 1. Heart health. Garlic is often praised for its potential cardiovascular benefits. It may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent the formation of blood clots. These effects can contribute to a healthier heart and reduce the risk of heart disease. 2. Immune support. Garlic has natural antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It contains compounds like allicin, which can boost the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a common factor in various health issues. Garlic contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body. By reducing inflammation, garlic may assist in preventing or managing conditions such as arthritis, diabetes, and certain cancers. 4. Cancer prevention. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that garlic may have potential anti-cancer properties. It contains organosulfur compounds that could help inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in the digestive system, such as the stomach and colon. 5. Sexual health. Garlic has been associated with potential benefits for men's sexual health. It may help improve blood circulation, which can have a positive impact on erectile function. Additionally, some cultures believe that garlic has aphrodisiac properties. 6. Antioxidant effects. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against oxidative stress and damage caused by harmful free radicals. This antioxidant activity may contribute to overall well-being and longevity. 7. Nutritional value. Garlic is a low-calorie food that contains essential nutrients such as vitamin C and B6, manganese, and selenium. Incorporating garlic into a balanced diet can provide valuable nutrients necessary for maintaining good health. It's important to note that while garlic offers potential health benefits, individual results may vary. It's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or using garlic as a supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Thanks for watching.